Use of inflatable models in children's education. Inflatable models have emerged as effective and engaging tools in children's education, offering a fun, hands-on approach to learning complex concepts. These models, ranging from inflatable globes and human anatomy figures to life-sized replicas of animals or planets, provide a tactile and visual learning experience that textbooks alone often cannot deliver. One of the primary advantages of inflatable models is their ability to simplify abstract ideas. For example, a large inflatable model of the solar system can help children grasp the relative sizes and distances between planets more effectively than flat diagrams. Similarly, an inflatable human body can make biology lessons more interactive by allowing students to physically see and touch organs, enhancing retention and understanding. These models are particularly valuable in early childhood and primary education, where learning is most effective when it's multisensory. Children can interact with the models, walk around them, and even enter some of them, such as inflatable planetariums or life-size lungs, creating immersive learning experiences. This level of engagement helps maintain students' attention and sparks curiosity. Additionally, inflatable models are portable and easy to set up, making them ideal for classrooms, school events, museums, and mobile learning environments. They are often used in science fairs, health awareness programs, and environmental education campaigns to create memorable impressions. Moreover, these tools encourage collaborative learning. Group activities involving inflatable models promote teamwork, discussion, and critical thinking among children. In summary, inflatable models are valuable educational aids that enhance learning through interaction, visualization, and engagement. They cater to various learning styles and make education more inclusive, dynamic, and fun for children, laying a strong foundation for lifelong learning.